Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to totally jailbreak your Fire Stick, or in other words, to get loads of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And the whole process is actually really easy too. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to jailbreak your Fire Stick in 2025. So the very first step is getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So firstly, you have to go and open the search bar on your Fire Stick. So here it is. We open the search bar and now we gotta start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of this app. You click on Downloader, and now that's the app which you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set it up on the Fire Stick, you gotta go to settings on your device by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then you scroll down and go to My FireTV. Open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new FireTV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you have to go to install unknown apps, and what you have to do in here is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it up, wait a moment for it to load, and now here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN application is connect to any server, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and obviously open it. And now when Downloader opens, what you gotta do in here is open this search bar and start typing in the link. which is going to be applinked.store. So it's applinked.store. Just like that, here you go. Enter the link as you see on my screen, and make sure not to make any mistakes, obviously, because if you make a mistake, then the code will not work for you. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, because this way you'll get even more content about Firestick. And now when the website opens, all you have to do in here is click on that green download app linked button. Let me click on it, and now the download of the app link has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app. Then click install and make sure that the application also gets properly installed. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of your unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And then we actually gotta set up Applinked. So we go back to settings, open my FireTV, go to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time you locate Applinked and turn this option on as well, because we'll be using Applinked to download other applications from the internet. And now it's time to return back to the list of apps on your device. You open it, and here's the app linked, which we just got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. So click on it, and a menu will appear on the right side of the screen. So from here, click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. Then feel free to open AppLinked. And from here, you can actually go and visit all kinds of app categories, such as live streaming, utilities, sports, movies and TV shows, game, and verified apps. So let's say we open games, and from here you get access to all the games which can download and play on your Firestick. Or alternatively, you can use, let's say, movies and TV shows category, and you get access to all the applications that you can use on your Firestick to get movies and TV shows. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact apps available in here, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So that's the easy way to jailbreak your Firestick in 2025. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.